Oh my god, I feel like I've been, oh my gosh, I'm so scared, I'm so scared, I'm so scared. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherish Isaac. If it's your first time stopping by, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying to sound, I don't know, Raz or whatever. But essentially, I'm happy that you're stopping by. If you're returning, kisses. Today we'll be waxing my eyebrow, and it's the first time I would be doing it myself. Okay, so let's take a moment to pray for these eyebrows because it has to come out clutch, it has to come out slayed to the gods. I'm doing this because this is COVID-19, in case you see this video in 2 years time, and I have no choice but to do it myself because we can't do it. So I've watched a handful of videos just to get an idea of all I need to do, tips, steps, because it's very important you don't just jump right into it and attempt to do it yourself. So these are my eyebrows in its current state. It's like all over the place. It looks way better right now. Last week I got fed up. I used like my really tiny scissors to like trim it, cut it and everything. So I feel like it's not that bad, but I just want to give it a finished look. Or let's just say maybe I just wanted to, you know, show you guys me taking risky steps on how to do my eyebrows. Okay, there are some items you will need to begin the process. Number one is you will need a spoolie. I think that's what it's called. This is from Shop Miss A wipe, and I also have like aloe vera gel, and then I also have like the strips, and then I have the sugar wax. This is the Persian sugar wax I got from Amazon, and it's $13. So, and most importantly, you would also need like an eyebrow pencil. I've watched a couple of YouTube videos on what you will need, and some people had like a white eyeliner. I don't have it. I don't intend to get one. So this is what I'll be using, the regular one I used to do my eyebrows. There are two ways that you can wax your eyebrow, or there are two techniques or two styles you can use from what I discovered on YouTube. First thing is you can start by using the side of your nose to mark where your eyebrow should begin from. So here, if I'm looking this way, I'm looking at the mirror. Some people say start at the end of your nose, and if I was to do that, that means this is where my eyebrow is going to begin, which doesn't make sense. And so to find out where your arch should be, you know how there's a pointed side of your nose. My nose is pretty flat, like it's not as pointed as some people's nose would be. So you know how this here, put the eyebrow pencil right beside where it like goes up a bit, and then turn it to the side. It should go past your pupil on your eyes. So this should be the highest point. Yeah. So this should be the highest point. Just so you know, I've waxed my eyebrows so many times, so to some extent I kind of have like a clean route to know what it should look like. Last but not the least is you put it at the end and you turn it to the side of your eyes, and this is where the eyebrow should end. So then you can connect the dots together. So some people connect the dots together while some people just leave the dot as it is. So the second technique is filling out your eyebrows like you usually do, and whichever hair is left, you wax it off. So the technique I'll be using today would be to completely fill out my eyebrows and wax what is left. And I'm going to put it as close to my hair as it should be. Like if before you're the type of person that gives yourself an extra arc when your hair is not there, don't do so. Literally put it on the hair. So we're going to do the same thing for the other eye, and then I'm going to microwave the wax for 20 seconds with the cover off, and I'll be right back. Okay, hi guys, so I'm back from microwaving the wax. It's a bit runny and all of that, but we're going to still continue. I'll show you a video of how runny it is. I have done my eyebrows like I typically do, and you also need to be sure of what direction your hair grows in. I've come to realize that mine grows this way. So in order to take it off, I need to rip it off like this. You know what I mean? Some people eyebrow grows up, down, whichever way. Mine goes in this direction. I didn't want to spend extra coins getting things that I could, you know, DIY. So this is my waxing strip. As you can tell, this is very big. So we're going to go in with a small scissors, and I'm just going to cut this to an okay, in my head, an okay size. So I would say about 1 inch. Don't be critical with me, please. We're improvising. That's what COVID-19 is all about. You use what you have to get what you want. Why do I sound like a motivational speaker? But we're going to start with the middle to like clear it out, and we're going to do the top. And let's see, guys. I know if you look closer, I'm going to zoom in, you will notice that I have like some irritation here on my forehead. I think it's the product I use on my hair. Whenever I start using a new product on my hair and it runs down, my forehead always gets irritated. So it's not from the waxing, nothing of that sort. And the spatula that came with the wax, forgive me, I'm going to improvise and use the end of my makeup brush. So this is the flat brush, it's brand new. I never used it before, but I would rather use that because this is very wide and I don't want sorry about my voice. I don't want the product to be stuck with my eyebrows because I can't. Okay, so let's just use this. Another thing, compared to waxing your underarm where you use a lot of product, when it comes to waxing your eyebrow, less is more, guys. Less is more. Guys, I'm very scared. I have injured myself before from waxing. So you pull your skin up, you pull your hand and you drag it. Oh wow. And then see, it's out. You just bend it and you go back in. Guys, it wasn't painful at all. So I don't want to go really close to my eyebrow. I'm going to drag it a bit and go as slow as you can. It's best to do it in sections. Drag your skin up. Whoops! As I mentioned earlier on, with your eyebrow, less is more. Like, pull your skin up. Whoops! Guys, it's not painful at all. So I think it's because of the muscle that we have here and the strong bone that we have here. It's not painful. I honestly think that the most pain is gonna come from here, your eyeball socket, because there's literally nothing in that section. Keep my eyes up, placing it. Oh, come to my house for your waxing appointment. Call me the spa specialist. That's what I am. That's what I am. Drag. Oh, ciao, baby girl. Make sure you fold and you go in to clean it up. Tell me if this eyebrow is not ready. Oh my god, I feel like I've been, oh my gosh, I'm so scared, I'm so scared, I'm so scared, I'm so scared. Look at, when I was carrying those dragon eyebrows. Like, this is perfection. So guys, this is the final look. Obviously, my eyebrows are not like perfect and I don't even think they are identical. But there's a first time for everything and we thank God that I didn't take off all my hair. So the next thing you need to do is just go in with aloe vera and cotton pad to clean it up. One thing I noticed from my years of waxing my eyebrow is I tend to touch my waxed area a handful of times after it's done. That's another way to get your skin very irritated and have acne afterwards. So I would suggest that try as much as possible not to touch your eyebrow. Like, I know it's tempting, it's like calling your name, yari yari yari. Don't touch it. So just clean it up. It's gonna have like a bit of a tingly feeling, obviously, because your skin is kind of like naked at this point. So just clean your eyebrows. So to be completely honest with you guys, with this experience, I don't think I'm ever going to get my eyebrows waxed. Like, it went smoothly, it didn't take much of my time, it's very fast. One time, everything is gone. Like, and I paid $15 to get my eyebrows waxed. This was $13. You see, this is the end of this video. I really enjoyed shooting it. I'm actually super proud of myself that it came back looking good, looking nice. If you're doubting what to do, baby girl, just take that step. Try with one eyebrow. If it's not working, out of there. But yeah, like, tell me what you feel in the comment, what you think about the eyebrows. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Make sure you share my videos to your friend that wax their eyebrows, telling them, girl, this is how you need to do it. Or you can send it to your enemies that you don't like the way their eyebrows look. I don't mind. Send it to your haters, your fan, your families, your crush. Please watch this video, click on the like button, and yeah, see you guys on another video. Bye.